Look, if you're just starting affiliate marketing, the chances are you are on a budget. So I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing on a budget and how you can get this complete guide right here that I'm going to actually do in this video for under $100. Now, in some previous videos that I did, I showed you where you can actually get your link and how to set things up. But when you go to Traffic Zest, it's actually you have to invest $100 in order to get traffic there, and you're going to invest $35 to get the system. But you know, the all-in-one system, or the triple residual income system that I like to call it, and some call it the turnkey system. But in order for you to actually get started for under $100, I'm going to show you another traffic source that you can tap into that's going to actually get you going. And you have some choices of, you know, where you want this traffic to come from. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below, and a link for you to get started along with this $35 business, you know, the triple residual income system business. Now, this is the back office. Once you get started with the triple residual income system, you're going to come to a page look like this. It may be an opportunity that, you know, you may end up on the less goal. Wherever you end up at, whatever you want to do, what I want you to do is simply come over here to where it says affiliate. Okay, once you get signed up, and you're going to come down here and you're going to get your link. Now we're going to actually add a code to the end of this link so we know where we're getting the traffic from. So this is where we're going to get our links. Also, in this section, you want to make sure you watch this video, okay, so you can get a good understanding, because there's a free method in here as well that's going to get you started for free that you can do once you start getting some paid traffic. Now, there's two types of traffic. There's free and there's paid. You have to make up your mind which one you want to do. In this one, I'm actually showing you paid traffic, and I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to earn anything from this traffic, okay? It all depends upon, you know, the emails that are going out to them, the follow-up. And the beauty of this is you do not have to worry about the follow-up, because the system does all of that for you. Everything is done for you. The only thing, your sole responsibility is to just get traffic. But you don't want to just get any kind of traffic. You want to get good quality traffic. And I know some people frown on solo ads, but I have used this vendor before, and if I have not used them, I would not even be showing it to you. Okay. But as I said before, no guarantees of you earning any income. Leads, yes, but for as you know, getting sales, I can't guarantee you that you're going to earn any income, but I'm just showing you a way that you can start using this system. So you want to watch this video right here. It's going to show you the free way, okay, that you can actually get started. It's actually going to give you scripts and things right here that you can tap into, okay, to use the method that they're going to show you. So you get that, and you get the domain scout as well. And this, we're not going to worry about a domain right now, but I do highly recommend that you get one. So you can simply click on domain scout here, and it's going to drop down checking the domain availability. And what that does is you're able to pick a domain, and it's going to connect it straight to your hosting account and give you a professional email if you decide you want to get that. It's going to set up your DMARC, your DKIM, your SPF, all that stuff. It's going to be done for you in the background. You don't have to worry about that. It's just purchase and you're good to go, and you're going to have your very own domain. If you want to watch more on that, you can watch this video right here. Okay, watch the video tutorials. Please do that if you decide you want to get a domain. So let's go back to affiliate here, and we're going to come down, and this is the link that you're going to get. Your link is going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Everyone gets this page. Now, when you get to the point where you don't want to use this page, you want to create your own, then when you inside of the funnel builder, you can do that as well. But right now, we just want to get you up and going as quickly as possible, painless as possible, so you can get started. Okay, so you're going to get this page right here. And this is the same page that when you click the link in the description, you're going to enter your name, best email. Then it's going to take you to the page right here. All of this is done for you. This page and this page is done for you. Paul in this video explains everything, how it all works. Everybody can read this entire page. If you have a question, Okay, Paul references in this video. You can come over here to Sage, ask any question that you want, and Sage will answer your question. And she also does her best as an AI tool to try and close them for you. Okay, so you can ask as many questions as you want and let Sage answer them for you. This is another tool at your disposal that you don't have to worry about answering questions for people. Okay, just send them to this website, tell them to click the bubble down there and have a talk with Sage. You come down through here, everybody's going to get this same page right here. Even going to see the number flicker. Okay, over $6 million, almost $7 million as of February 11th. Talks about, you know, the prices of the products and the residual you can earn. Shows a real example of the commissions, you know, that you could earn a residual income. You just have to pick your number of referrals, what's your goal, what you want to go for, what you want to earn per month, and go from there. And then you're simply going to come down here. You have the less goal. You can get started for $10, $25. Okay, $125 for premium. But if you scroll on down, you can get started today for only $35. You get everything for $35. They're going to get 2 free weeks of premium right here. Okay, that means you can get on all of the calls and training and things like that. So you're going to get that. So just keep that in mind. So go for the $35 package. Now, it's still under $100 because you're only investing $35 in this system, okay, today. And then I'm going to show you how to get traffic today, and we're going to do our best to keep it under $100, okay? So you can go ahead on and get started. So this is what you're going to get right here. So what we want to do, okay, I'm going to come back over here, and you should see my image here when you come here. Don't click off this page. Don't go visit nobody else's page. Stay right here. Get it through me right here. Okay, so you're going to come back over here, and you're going to grab your link. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to copy it, and then we're going to come to a place called Painless Traffic. And you're going to click on log in. Once you get Painless Traffic, a link for that is in the description below. Click on that and log in. Once you log in, you're going to see this screen, but you're going to come over here, up here where the little house, Painless Traffic, and click on visit site. You're going to go to the site. It's going to take you over there, and then it's going to take you to the place your order. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in the URL right there. Okay. Going to come down here, and we're going to select the traffic. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. So you can select the type of traffic that you want. So it's totally up to you. You can get top rated tier 1 traffic, buyer focused, niche relevant, 60 cents per click. You can get that. You want Instagram, TikTok traffic, you can get that. YouTube, Facebook traffic, you can get that. Bing, Google ads, crazy conversion, 85 cents. Okay, we're not worried about manifestation or health and wellness because we are in the make money online niche. You can get exit traffic with buyer intent. This is the lowest you can get as far as per click. List building traffic, 100 USA opt-ins, 20 to 60%, 35 cents per click, or lead hero premium curated buyer traffic. I'm not going to tell you which one to get. Okay, that's going to be totally up to you. But if you want to keep it under $100, then you can do with the list building. Okay, remember, you're not doing any of the emailing. All that is done for you. You simply come up here. I'm just going to say, let's check out the top rated. Okay, so 60 cents per click. We want 100 clicks. If we come down here, you can put in special notes, emailers, and things like that. So you already see 100 clicks is $60 plus your $35. Okay, that leaves you at $95. Okay, so you're still under $100 if that's what you're willing to invest. But if you want to do it lower, you can come down here, you know, 60 cents and 59 cents. That's really not much different. Okay, $59. You're looking at $1 difference, but you still come up here and you can say, okay, I want some Facebook, YouTube, and Facebook. Okay, boom. You can click that number of clicks you want. You can hover over that, hover down. I'll just go up in number, however many you want. Okay. So you want 119, but we're going to leave it at 100 clicks. Start with 100 clicks, no more, no less. because we want to see what kind of traffic you're actually getting. Any special instruction, we've read through that. And your order summary is $35. Okay, so now you're looking at what, 35 plus 35 is $70. Okay, so you're looking at $70. You're still under the $100. You're still on budget, and you're going to have some money left over for you to actually get going. You agree to the term and services. Now let's see how we want to track this. So let's just say we want to go with the top rated, okay, tier 1, buyer focused, niche relevant. What I would do, okay, I would come back over here and I would say, okay, tier 1, just looking through here, I'm gonna say tier 1, and then I'm gonna put 60 cent. Okay, that way I know what it is. You can put TRT1, T, just as long as you know what it is. I will put tier 1, 60 cents. So I'm gonna come back over here to this, and I'm gonna do tier 1 and dash 60. We're just gonna put 60. We know that's 60 cents. Okay, so now we're going to copy this, come back over here, we're going to come up here and we're going to paste it right there. What this does is inside of your system, okay, my leads are not loaded, I'm not going to show them, but inside of here, under where it says show leads, is actually going to show you where the lead came from. Okay, so you'll know exactly where it came from. If you get a sale, okay, from this Facebook and YouTube traffic for 35 cents, if you get a sale, then you will know that you can do this again. And if you do get sales, reinvest the money back into more traffic. Okay, so always remember that. And if you want, like I said, 100 clicks, $35, you got a little bit more, but we're just going to keep it there. You can always come here and up it the next time around. If this traffic is working for you, you can always come in here, Instagram traffic, Bing and Google ads. So what I would do, say 85 cents. We want 100 clicks. Okay, that's $85. So we know now we're over our budget, but that's $85. So if I wanted that traffic, what I would do is come back over here. Let's see, Bing and Google. I will come back over here and say Bing, spell it, Bing dash Google. Okay. And to keep it even at, you can say PL for painless, PLT. Okay, so you know where it's coming from, painless traffic, Google, and we can copy that right there. Come back over here and paste it. Boom. Now you're gonna know it come from painless traffic. Bing and Google was the traffic type that you use. Okay, so now let me do it one more time. Come over here. We're just gonna say lead hero. I'm gonna go back to lead hero. I'm going to come back over here. Remember, you always want to change this link out. Come back over here. And I'm just going to I'm going to leave the PLT. I'm going to put LH for lead hero dash. Let's go back over here and look again. 59 dash 59. That's 59 cents. Copy that link. We're going to do this. Copy that link. Come back over here, enter it. That's what it is. We know the traffic type, the number of clicks. This is all required. You see a little asterisk there. Okay. Then notes. If you have some special notes about the order, boom, boom, you're going to come down here, $59. Okay. You're still under budget. Click a terms. You agree. Pay with your card, and you are good to go. Okay, it's just that simple. It's just that easy for you to get started. So it's really a 3-step process. You join the Home Business Academy, okay, the triple residual income system or the turnkey residual income system. You join it, you get your link, go over here to affiliates, okay, come down to your link, go to painless traffic. It's in the description. Go to Painless Traffic, log in, pick your traffic type, okay? Even if you don't put anything here, you can still pick your traffic type, okay? Regardless, Instagram, whatever, it's gonna give you the price down there. Now you can say Instagram, TikTok, come back over here and say IG dash, I'll just put tick or whatever, you know, tick. You can go and put TikTok there and dash whatever the price is. The price is 35. Then you say 35 and boom, there you go. Grab this, come here, paste it, and now you're good to go. You know where everything is coming from. Pay with the card, set back and wait. Inside of here, you're also going to get, you'll know your order history here, okay? You'll know your order history. You're going to have tracking, view the live stats, so you're able to track it inside of here as well and compare it to inside of here. Test your email. You're able to have, if you got some emails you want to be rewritten, you can put them in here and rewrite them. Have a traffic rotator in here. You can set up rotators in here. Then you can contact or whatever. And if, for one thing about it, when you sign up for Painless Traffic, you're going to get 100 free clicks anyway. And those free clicks are actually, the AI exit traffic with buyer intent, okay? So that's what that is. So really you're just investing $100 to get 100 free click. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead on, click the link in the description, come to this page right here, fill out the information, watch the information on this page right here, read everything, ask your questions over here to say, just go ahead on and get started. Also in the description, if you want to see, you know, some other things that are going on, click that link in the description as well. Traffic Zest is in the description. Painless Traffic is in the description, and some other things down there that may help you on your affiliate journey is in the description. So go ahead on, get started right now. I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Oh, watch the next video on this screen so you can see what it is that I'm leading up to. So have a great day. Peace.